Summerfieldhayley, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an Asos box unboxing for you. So as a lot of you will know, Asos actually do a monthly beauty box. Now this isn't a subscription box, it is first come first serve, unfortunately. So a lot of the times this is sold out. I struggle to get my hands on this, if I'm completely honest with you. It comes out around the 1st of every month. So what you're better doing is every couple of days or every day even, checking the Asos website, just typing in beauty box, and if it's available it will come up. They do at times do male equivalents of this as well. I know that I've got Danny and Jamie, the male version of this at times. So yeah, so this box comes at £12. You do have to pay a delivery price on that, obviously, but I get the delivery for free because I have the premium membership that I pay £9 a year for, and I get free next day delivery. So if you buy a lot from Asos, although it seems a lot for your first spend, that saves you so much money. So yeah, just a bit of a side note there, bit of a tip. So yeah, so this is the Asos beauty box. So without further ado, let's get into this box. So this is how it comes. So a lot of the subscription boxes will look the same as this. You get a little leaflet inside, and this is the Go Play box. And it says the ultimate feel good face and body box is here. If there's ever a time or an excuse for some extra TLC, January wins every time. And this year it's even more necessary. That's why this month's face and body box has all the goodies to help boost your mood. What's in store? First up, the Alpha H. Actually, I'm not going to read this because it tells us exactly what's in it. So yeah, so let's have a little look. So it comes with this green tissue paper here, and then if we just open this up, these are our products inside. So obviously a lot of the products you can, well, all of the products you can buy on the Asos website, and they always tend to be the higher end brands that you kind of get with the Asos boxes. Rather than your glossy boxes that try a lot of different indie brands, you do get a lot of the higher end type in the Asos box. So firstly, I'm going to just pop this at the side of me here. As you can see, my background has changed again. I am now in my lounge. I feel like I'm going to mix it up for you guys, maybe film in a few different areas. My Christmas tree is gone, so that background obviously can't be used anymore. So, firstly, we have the Neom Energizing Hand Balm, and this is in grapefruit, lemon and rosemary, and this is how this looks. So in this we get 30 mils. And once opened, you've got a shelf life of 6 months. So yeah, hand balms are great for this time of year, not only because of the winter, but also because the amount of alcohol gel we're all putting on our hands. So I'm always happy to have this. It makes sure that there's plenty in the house for everybody to use. So yeah, that's nice. And having a Neom one is absolutely brilliant. What a nice start. So that's that one. Then next up we have the Away Hair Care Wave Spray in 30 mils. So I'm really happy with this because I'm really happy with this. I've just got the Molly May Waver for Christmas, and when I did my hair it made it a little bit frizzy. So I'm happy that I'll be able to put this serum through it once I've waved it, and then I can put this through. I'm really happy with that. I've never tried anything from Way, but as you'll know, I'm very hot on keeping my hair nice and healthy. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying that. Next, we have an Alpha H Clear Skin Daily Face and Body Wash with Tea Tree. And again, this is 30 mils. So this box actually provides you with a really decent amount of travel-sized items. You're going to get quite a few face washes out of that. So yeah, so that is the Alpha H 30 mil. Once opened, this is okay for 24 months, which is all on the back here. Next we have the Caudalie Purifying Toner, and this is in 50 mils. So I like Caudalie. Now I have got a micellar water from them, and I have the SPF also from Caudalie, and I've wanted to try some new products from them, but they can be a little bit higher end and a little bit higher priced. I'm happy to pay that but it's just I've got a few skincare items on the go at the moment. So yeah, so I'm really happy to try this, and obviously we know Caudalie is a really nice high-end brand. This one is okay for 9 months once opened. So if you do have a skincare regime but enjoy trying something new, then you have got time to use this. So that is that one. And then finally we have an Elemis product. So I'm always excited to see Elemis products in these boxes. I've tried a few things from Elemis and I've enjoyed a lot of their stuff, but a few other things that I've just not fancied, and it's not really been for me. So I do like having these smaller versions to try before I splurge and buy the bigger items. So this is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. This is just a skin mask, and you basically put it on your face and leave it on for 10 minutes. Obviously before you use any mask, cleanse your skin first. So cleanse your skin, put your mask on. So yeah, so this is okay for 6 months. Obviously this probably won't last you 6 months, especially if you've got a big face like mine. So yeah, so that is the Elemis Superfood mask there. So yeah, so you get 15 mils in that. So that is the ASOS box for this month. So obviously you get some really, really nice products in there. We have 5 products, but all of a higher brand and all of a really good size. You haven't got your small 10 mils, your 15 mils that you do 1 eye with and then it's gone. You've literally got some really good sizes in there. So that is perfect to go straight into your travel bags, ready for when we can actually go on holidays, which hopefully will be this year. Let's keep positive, guys. That has been my ASOS unboxing. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would really, really appreciate it. It really helps me out and helps me continue on my YouTube journey. I have got 122 followers now, and I'm absolutely made up about that. I love you all, and I reply to all comments. So if you will, please leave me a little comment down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of any future uploads. But until next time, you take care. Mwah.